Have you tried using the journal tool in Echo yet? I am here to encourage you to do just that. There are lots of reasons for kids to write in a journal. Journals create stronger, more confident writers. They can improve memory and problem solving skills. They can increase self awareness, motivation, and studies have even shown that they can decrease stress for our students. There are many ways you can employ a journal. You could use it in some kind of theme, like a gratitude journal or success journal, where kids document their little wins every day. Or you can use it as a writing journal, a way for kids to reflect around your project. So today we're going to demonstrate how to use it in your project or your course as a journal that kids write on all semester long. So let's jump right into ABC Elementary and add a journal for that purpose. We're going to go to the editor button as usual and click add and click on journal. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and title it my year-long journal. Not very creative, but it's for a video. And then you might write a note to your students about how you're going to use that. You can add a thumbnail, choose a little photo there so kids can identify it quickly, visually, if you want. Some objectives, scores. I'm going to make this journal gradable. We'll give it 5 communication points and 1 for agency. I'm not going to check a due date because I do not want this showing up in their to-do list. And for navigation, for that same reason, I'm going to uncheck visible in table of contents. I don't want it showing up unless I link to it. So I'm going to click save because I'm all set now. And you'll be able to see how to have it show for your students now. I want it to show up in agendas. That's why I'm going to assign journal writings. So if I was going to give them a writing for today, I might say, this morning, let's reflect in our journals about our learning around our digital footprints, okay? And we can link journal right here. We'll highlight it, click the link button, and you can see I'm going to click on course link and my year-long journal is going to show up right there. So I just always go there to grab that journal, and there it is. I'll click save, and now it will be in the agenda for that day, for Friday, November 4th. So students will just click on that. They'll be able to see that they have that assignment. So I'll click the play button so you can have a look at it. Here's November 4th, and here's what it will look like for students. You can click that link, and it will pop up for them to write in a journal. And I can just go back to that link every time I want to link a journal in the agenda. So let's go back home and show you what it looks like to grade a journal. I assigned a journal to my demo students in the It's a Digital World class, and here it is. So we'll click on that. This is my students' assignment. You can see they turned it in, how many words it is, and that there's only 1 journal in this thread. So I'll click on my digital footprint. I can read their journal response. And while I cannot reply directly in the journal, I can reply right here. So I can write a note, I can give video feedback, whatever I want to do here. I can even use one of my templates, right? And I can give them their communication points, their agency points, and submit score. And now the student will get that feedback right in their feed when they log into Echo in the morning. So I encourage you to give journaling a try in your classroom, especially for student reflection and growth.